Hello everyone, this is JJ Reviews. I know I did do a video before where it was on the i12s, I think it was, the i12 TWSs. Someone did recommend me to do it on the i12 TWS where it's, because mine was the red label, but they asked me to do it on the blue label, so I might look into that and do it for you guys. I just wanted to do a video for you just showing obviously the i7s this time. So same obviously box. Obviously you've got here, obviously the model is the i7s. Frequency runs at 2.40 gigahertz. Battery capacity 65 milliamp to up to /950 milliamp. Okay. It's compatible with iOS and Android devices, as you can see there. The distance where you can obviously use the headphones is 12 meters. Playing time is up to 5 to 6 hours, and charging time is 1 to 2 hours, and standby time of course is 100 hours. So that's not bad. Let's have a quick look. So as you can see, when looking at it, it's slightly more different compared to the ones I reviewed on the i12s. It looks more like obviously AirPods. These obviously do not. Let's have a quick, let's put that quickly there and have a look in the box. So obviously as you can see, you've got the instruction manual and everything, but we won't bother about that. Obviously you've got your little small USB charger, but as you can tell with this one, it's the obviously an Android one that fits in, where the i12s I did a little review on, it was a lightning cable one, so that's obviously no similarity. So obviously it just fits in there. Plug it into say your laptop. So let's have a quick look. So you can see, oh bloody hell. You can see got the two headphones, and straight away you can see just by looking at them how big they are already. Like how thick. Sorry about the noise. But how thick it is here. Obviously you've got the buttons here that you have to push to connect, and I'm guessing as well when you push it once it changes the song and everything like that. But you can really tell from the size it's completely different. But yeah, when you put it in, it should just click in. These weirdly click in some way. You have to push it quite a bit, but there's no magnetic feeling. And obviously how it opens, it just flips open really. That's it. And then you push the button. Obviously there's no charge in them. But let's see if the actual earphones do. Okay, they don't have much charge in them. Let's see. Let me quickly use my portable power bank. Let's quickly put these in. I'll just show you as well how it works with charging as well quickly. So you just put it in, obviously left and right. Quickly slot that in. I'll just demonstrate using my power bank. So let's quickly show you guys how it works. Let's move that all to one side. So obviously I'll plug this in to my power bank. Plug it in this way. Oh, why ain't it going in? It's that way, yeah. The thing is, it's telling me to do it that way. That's how it goes. Oh, there we go. Bit funny. So, I just push that. they should start charging, but currently at the moment it's not doing nothing. I don't know if this is an issue with all you other guys, but currently at the moment it's not sending any charge for them, which is quite strange. Let me try use another cable quickly for you guys. Sorry if it's this review, but you know, I'm showing you all what's on them. I'm just gonna get a cable. I'll try plugging it in from the PlayStation, maybe it has a bit more power to send through to charge these up. So let's quickly try and connect up, still with the same cable. So let's try again. Yeah, still nothing, so oh, here we go. Sorry, look. Probably just hesitate, it was probably fully dead, yeah. So as you can see here, the red light flashing means obviously the case is on charge, and as well as the earphones are on charge. So if you push that, obviously it's dead quite a bit at the moment, but apart from that, obviously these look nothing like the real AirPods. Obviously it's a clone, because they go up from, these are the starter ones, which is the i7s, you've got the i8s, the i9s, the i10s, the i11s, i12s, there's the i13s as well, and then I do know they have like the i30s, which are very similar. Like mine, those clone ones, they're only a cheap pair, the i12s. They look more like obviously the AirPods, especially the case, the earphones look slim. The only way you could tell is the way with the ear, like obviously the AirPods themselves, the earpieces, when they go in your ear, obviously they're flashing blue and red, so that's a definite sign to show they're not the real things. But the sound quality of them ain't brilliant, but they're bearable. They're not. They've got a decent amount of bass and treble. Sounds okay. It takes for me, if I charged about an hour and a half to charge the case, I get about an hour or more when listening to them. Nothing too bad. So now that that's had a few minutes, sorry about that, but I just wanted to show you. When you push a button, usually another light will come on, but I don't know for that. So let's quickly just take these out. Push the button. Okay, yeah, they're not working at all. So it might just be where they've not had much charge. I'm sorry though, where in this video you wanted to see that. But it was just a quick little unboxing, quick little look at with the i12s. I mean, not the i12s, sorry. The i7s. Obviously this is what it all comes with. And that's it really. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment on what you'd like me to do next. And obviously don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notifications on so you can see when I upload. Obviously the people that are subscribed to me currently now know I upload once a week, which is mainly once a week on a Friday. If not a Friday, it'll definitely be a Saturday at like how it is today when I'm uploading. But apart from that, it's once a week on a Friday, doing reviews on obviously little tech like this. Anything else really? Games I might do as well. Anything that you want to suggest, I'll happily do for you guys. If you're interested and just want my opinion, I'll gladly do it for you guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.